Welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Ms. Fisher and I teach AP Environmental Science. If you need to get a hold of me, my email address is cfisher@cnusd.k12.ca.us. This is my 21st year of teaching, so I usually am very comfortable doing all of these hands-on labs in class. And now we're converting over to this digital format, so we're doing a lot of virtual labs, and you'll learn more about that as we go. All right, with AP Environmental Science, we're taking the real world and we're tying it into what the students know of their world, and we're enhancing and just kind of broadening their perspective. This is our schedule. Every day, the students do a daily check-in. This is listed on Google Classroom. Google Classroom for AP Environmental is organized by the lesson. So lesson 1, 2, and now we're on lesson 3. It shows that the students will upload their notes, and this is what their notes were going to look like. So I delivered packets, or the students could pick up their packet of notes in the office. And so we go ahead and we write out our notes together. Notice that the student uses lots of different colors. It allows it to pop at the students in person. Now, obviously, these are much smaller per page, so it's harder to read, but for them, they have it full size. All right, they uploaded their notes. It tells them Friday's assignment because Friday is right before a 3-day weekend, and so I thought they might want to know what the assignment was on Friday, just in case. I have a lot of kids getting wisdom teeth taken out. All right, here's lesson 3 vocab, and so they'll go on there and they'll practice their vocab, practice labeling, fishing, and aquaculture methods. Then they're going to do section review questions, and so they're going to upload that on Google Classroom and turn it in. We also do different types of labs. So as I mentioned, that I do a lot of labs in my class in person, so I'm trying to make sure I find those digital labs, those virtual labs, which takes a bit of time to upload and find, but definitely want to make it interactive for the kids. All right, if the students need more practice, say they're studying for an exam, they can go to the Quizlet practice and they can practice doing flashcards. They can make a small little mini test with a click of a button. They can do a multiple choice or fill in the blank test. If a student misses a day, they go to this daily summary of what we did, and then they can actually click on that and it shows a brief summary, and then it shows any attachments like notes, class notes that we did. Here's a resource section on Google Classroom. You can see it has our syllabus, and then these are all different reviews because some students aren't as strong with basic bio concepts, so I've increased the number of review videos that are available to them. Our AP exam will be on May 14th, which is a Friday at noon. Now, our goal throughout the year is not to have the students just memorize material, but to describe and analyze, justify, and evaluate their ideas. Now, you can see right here, this is the percentage of instruction throughout the year. So I'm not going to go through all these topics with you, but you can kind of peruse them. But basically, my goal is to cover all of these topics to get them ready for that AP exam. The exam is going to be multiple choice and free response questions. So that's modeling what we do in class so that they're preparing it, or they're prepared for the actual AP exam. Now, here's our syllabus. You can see tests and quizzes are 50%. Projects and labs are 25%, and homework and classwork are 25%. My goal is that I can get all of those grades uploaded. I do make comments on Google Classroom, so if you wonder why your student got 7 out of 10 points and you go to their Google Classroom with them, you can actually see comments that I make that tell them why. Here's our grading scale down below, and then here's information on grade bumps. So I do, based off of their exam, their AP exam score, increase their grade. If they get a 4 or 5 on the AP exam, both semesters, I will change their grade to an A. If they get a 3 on the exam, I will bump them 1 letter grade for both semesters, and so it would go from a C+ to a B, or a B+ to an A, or an A- to an A. I don't change grades to A+ after the AP exam. Late work. If the students have a semi-late assignment, then they would be docked 10% if it was turned in within 8 hours of the due date. Tests. If a student misses a test, they need to make up the test with me, so we'll have to work on how to make up test days. Normally at school, it's a Wednesday morning, but it's a little bit different now. Students are not going to be retaking exams or not doing test corrections. And the reason why is because I do the grade bumps. Their exams are going to be multiple choice, so we'll practice with that. Diagrams, which I showed you, we're already practicing with that. We're practicing with the vocab. And then short answer essays are very much like their section review questions. Academic dishonesty is a huge topic now in our digital world. We want to make sure that students are using different sources, but they put the words in, they put everything into their own words, and then they're not getting work from other students. I hope this explains the basics of AP Environmental Science, and it was very nice to meet you.